This Ghanaian juju priest, Nana Kwaku Bonsam, is not happy with Nigerian man of God, Prophet TB Joshua, and he is doing everything to run him out of town. Self-acclaimed Ghana's #1 witch doctor, Nana Kwaku Bonsam, who has been consistently attacking Nigeria's foremost seer, Prophet TB Joshua, is at it again, and this time, he says Prophet Joshua killed the late former Ghana president, Professor John Evans Mills, who was one of Joshua's best friends and adherent. The juju man, who has never been comfortable with Prophet TB Joshua growing influence in the politics of Ghana and once vowed to report the man at the Synagogue Church of All Nations to the Pope, also said that TB Joshua is not a true man of God and that he uses magic and tricks to mislead people through his prophecies. He also claimed that the editors at the synagogue fabricate deliverance sessions, confessions, predictions of world events and then post it on the internet and demonstrate same on the church's Emmanuel TV. As a final catch, Bonsam says he will lead other juju men in Ghana to spiritually attack the branch of Prophet TB Joshua's church in the Gold Coast.